Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, let's mix 2 tablespoons of custard powder with 3 to 4 tablespoons of cold milk until completely smooth. This is a crucial step because any lumps now will show up in your final drink. You'll know the mixture is perfect when it looks like thick paint with absolutely no lumps. Take your time here, it's worth it. Now, pour 2 cups of full cream milk into a pan and bring it to a boil. Keep an eye on the milk. When you see small bubbles forming around the edges and the milk starting to rise, that's your cue that it's ready. A trick I've learned is to keep stirring occasionally to prevent a skin from forming on top. Here comes the tricky part. Add your custard mixture to the boiling milk, but keep stirring continuously. This is where your arm workout comes in. You need to stir constantly to prevent lumps from forming. You'll notice the mixture starting to thicken slightly as you stir. Time to add a 1/4 cup of sugar to the mixture and mix well. Keep stirring until you can't feel any sugar granules when you run your spoon across the bottom of the pan. This usually takes about 30 seconds of good stirring. Let's continue cooking the mixture on low heat until it thickens slightly. You'll know it's ready when the custard coats the back of your spoon, and when you run your finger through it, it leaves a clean line. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Now comes the waiting game. We need to let the custard cool completely. Spread it in a wide bowl to speed up the cooling process. To prevent a skin from forming on top, you can place a piece of plastic wrap directly on the surface of the custard. Once cooled, fold in your 1/2 cup of chopped pistachios and 6 drops of vanilla essence. The pistachios add such a lovely crunch and that beautiful green color that makes this drink special. Mix everything until the pistachios are evenly distributed. By the way, since many of you ask about this blender that I use after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Time for patience. Pop the mixture in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This chilling time is essential for the flavors to meld together and for the drink to reach that perfect refreshing temperature. I usually give it a quick stir halfway through the chilling time. Finally, when you're ready to serve, give the custard a good stir and thin it out with some chilled water or ice cubes until it reaches your desired consistency. If you're feeling fancy, top it with a dollop of whipped cream or a small scoop of ice cream and maybe an extra sprinkle of crushed pistachios for that professional touch. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.